Hi, I'm Jeanette Caines. I'm the author of Soldering Demystified from Jewelry Arts Inc. in New York City, and I'm here to share a few tips and tricks that are going to help you in your soldering. A lot of times when you're cutting solder, the solder tends to fly through the air and all over the place. It can be a little frustrating. So this is an easy way to cut it where the solder actually stays with you as opposed to all over your bench. All I do is I take my sheet solder and my shears, and I'm going to cut a little fringe, sort of like a little set of eyelashes, just like that. I'm going to use my chain nose or flat nose pliers, it doesn't matter which, just to flatten them out a little bit because you'll notice they'll tend to curve up from the cutting. All I have to do now is position my finger up against the edge, very important, clear of the scissors. And then if I cut, my solder stays actually on my finger as opposed to all over my bench and all over my studio.